Now we're just going to give an overview of the following challenges, not all of them, but just to give you an idea of how to proceed. So I'm in the solutions file. The solutions file is this one right here, not the training file. And so if we go to challenge A and we say edit, it won't let us see the code. So if you say run macro, you can see how it's done. If I go to challenge B, I can say run macro. Reset Karel, run macro. Reset Karel. If I come to challenge D, reset Karel, run macro. So even though you see the macros running, you still have to see how would you implement it. And then implementing it, that's where you're going to figure out how to hone your skills. But this gives you a chance to see, oh, what should it look like and how do I get it there? You don't see the details, but that's part of you developing your problem solving skills and how to approach this kind of a problem. And I think I'll show you one more. Reset, run macro. And so the hard part is getting Karel to do this without using variables. We used a for loop variable, but if you follow the instruction at Stanford, you can do all of this without variables at first, and it's going to make you sharper. And then when you go back to doing it with Visual Basic, using variables, doing other things, it's going to be a lot easier. Okay, so that's the overview of the following challenges.